Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to change the toner out on this HL2350DW printer. Now these printers take TN760 toner or TN730 toner, and these toners cost quite a bit of money when you buy the genuine Brother toner. However, in this past few years I've actually not been doing that. I've been buying third-party toner, which is quite a lot cheaper, and usually they come in packs of more than one, so that you have an extra backup just in case one runs out. Recently I got in contact with one of these toner manufacturers, and they decided to go ahead and send me a box of toner for free for me to give you guys an honest review about it. Now this box here contains 4 toners, and it's actually a little bit cheaper than buying just one genuine toner from Brother. So let's take one out of there, put this aside. Now these toners arrived well packaged, undamaged, with these protective covers. You just pull off from the sides, open the front here, and simply pull the toner cartridge out, just like that. Be careful not to touch the end of it, because there's actual toner on there, and you're gonna get, your fingertips will get basically black colored. It's right there. Don't touch any of that. Don't touch the drum unit. This is actually the drum unit in the front. So let's put this aside. And I'm gonna go ahead and close this up anyways, so that dirt and dust doesn't go inside of it while I'm working on the toner itself. Also, make sure your printer is off when you're doing anything like this. Turn off your printer, unplug it basically. Now when you remove the toner from the printer, it has the drum unit on it. So the toner is installed within the drum unit. To remove the toner cartridge from the drum unit, press down this green tab here, and they'll pop it right out of there. Just like that. Also, if you guys are interested in this toner, it's from a company called GOTOBY, and they sell this toner on Amazon. Like I said, for a 4-pack, it's actually cheaper than buying one Brother genuine TN760 toner. I'll have the link to that in the description of this video if you guys are interested. So let's get on with it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the protective cover from the front. Just like that. Try not to touch this area at all with your fingers. Bring over the drum unit. Also, don't touch the inside part of the drum unit. Just like this. Push it down until it snaps into place, and it's ready to go. Just like that. And this whole drum unit with the toner cartridge installed, we're gonna push it in and snap it into place. Just like that. And close it up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and plug the printer right back in. Alright, so I've plugged the printer in, and I could hear it initiating, saying please wait. Now it's saying ready. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna print a basic report out of this printer. So we're gonna go ahead and go to up, and I'm gonna keep pressing up until I see print reports, and I'm gonna press OK. Now here we got printer settings, network configuration, drum.print, WLAN report. So let's do the drum.print first. So we got a few specs here. I'm hoping that's going to clear up. Let me print it one more time. When you first install some toner, you'll have a little problems here and there, but by the second or third print, it should all be good to go. It's getting much better. You can still see a few dots here. Let me see if I can get this to focus. You can see some dots right here, see it? Continues on here. I'm going to print once more, and I am pretty sure it'll go away once I print one more time. Alright, this is the third print, and it cleared up nice and easy. I don't see any more dots on there. You see a couple of small ones here. No big deal. I'm going to go ahead and print a large piece now. It's mostly cleared up. I'm going to go ahead and print, let's see. Let's print a different report. I'm going to print the printer settings. This will tell me a lot of different information, including the toner level and the drum life level. On the second page of your print settings, you'll see that it will show you that the toner life, or the remaining toner life, is at 100%. Well guys, thank you very much for watching. Once again, if you are interested in the toner that I've shown you in this video, I'll have the link to that specific one in the description of this video. I think it's a very good deal. You get 4 toners for less than the price of the original TN760 printer toner. And thanks for watching. Thumbs up, and please leave comments if you want any answers to questions.